didn't work out good. All right, we're loaded up. And trucking. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. That's right, we're heading up north again, this time for an event, Crawl for the Cure. Well, we're headed up to the Iron Range. What's the weather report today?
It is 72 and mostly cloudy, but it's better than 90 and humid.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
Yes, it is gorgeous out today. We got Jemmy with us, and we got Abby.
Finally.
Well, we're up here at the off-road park, and it's been kind of raining a little bit off and on all day. We haven't had a recovery yet, but we're having fun. Well, we got buggies doing buggy things. We got some trucks trying to do buggy things. Well, they say trees are for turning. It's lunchtime, so we're gonna head back to the entrance and meet for lunch and see what's going on. So Brandon, Abby's boyfriend, he wanted to try out some rocks. that didn't work out good. You busted a U-joint and blew the ball joints. Oh. Well, good thing I have a tow truck. That's bad.
That one ball joint because I have spare axles.
What happened?
Broke the tie rod and a U-joint on the axle shaft.
Is your tie rod broke too? No. No, just the ball joint and the axle shaft. Nope. Alright, we'll get it up in the air. Get it out of here.
What's your plan?
We're gonna pick up right here and get it up on the flat, and then we'll hook it up to the sling.
How do you want to do this? Well, the rocks didn't want you planning it today, but we'll get you fixed and we'll get you back on the trail. Who's your passenger?
Abby.
Little seat cover. Oh.
Okay, we gotta put this, we gotta tie this knuckle up so it doesn't break the brake
Okay.
line. So we gotta tie your knuckle or tie it up. Yeah.
So we don't break your brake line, we gotta tie it up, but help him get the... It's gonna have to go in that hole.
Hang on.
That'll work.
Watch the rear.
All right, drive forward now.
Oh, she's gonna make a guest appearance. She's gonna make a guest appearance.
Never actually been recovered. I've been the recovery.
Yeah.
I've been the one in the wrecker, not the one behind the wrecker.
So how did that feel?
I didn't feel anything. I wasn't even paying attention.
All right.
It's fine where it's sitting, but
Now you get to help fix it. No.
I hand tools and watch.
No. Hi, baby. said you brought stuff. Let them get in.
There we go. All right. Well, that was easy. We got him on the hook. We'll take him back to camp. See if we can get some ball joints today. He's got axle shafts, but he needs ball joints.
When we talk about the rocks, guys, those are the rocks we're talking about. They're not your driveway rocks.
No, they're not your driveway rocks. They are big. So, Crawl for the Cure is a fantastic event, and if you ever get the chance, mark it on your calendar for next year. It's a fun time up here at the Iron Range in Gilbert, Minnesota.
Orange water?
Yep, that's the famous orange puddle. It gets its color from the iron ore. Well, we'll take him back to camp. Parts stores are open today, so maybe he can get the ball joints he needs. I don't know. We'll see.
This is the campground we stay at. West 40 RV Park. It's awesome.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay, go to the BSF repair zone.
That's right. So, you were on the hook. You get a sticker.
That's cool.
Okay, so what's going on?
So now we have to go and see if they have ball joints and see if they have a loaner tool program and a ball joint press. So we tried to get a loaner tool from the parts store, but they just rented it out or just loaned it out. So we came to Harbor Freight, got our own. We're changing the ball joints and getting this thing back together so we can go play tomorrow. Wow. So Brandon can go play tomorrow. He says he's not gonna do the big rocks anymore. All right, well, he's almost done. I got to get down to the ice arena. Something about showing off the wrecker, I don't know. The Iron Range, quickly becoming the rock crawling capital of Minnesota. Thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.